Alright, I have told you guys I'll do a part 2 where things are moving, so here it is. I can't hear things are revving, so... I take it there was a rev there, I don't know. I'm doing it blind, to be honest. There's a Porsche, look how nice that is. Gotta love him. Yeah, this is the Pontiac, very loud, very nice. Yeah. This thing was riding on some... Oh look, you can see me. Yeah. Hello me. You can see that this thing has some insane air suspension. Yeah. Pretty sick. I love this, one of my favourite cars at this show. It wasn't really a big appearance in the part 1, so, you know. Let's listen to that V8. And there goes the Pontiac. Oh yeah, gotta love a Triumph. Don't know much about him, I like the looks of him. Anyways, that's it from me, goodbye.